Hi guys, very good evening. I'll be starting with very basic properties of geometry. To solve higher level of difficulty questions, you need to understand the very basic properties of lines, straight lines and triangles. Alright, so I'll be starting with the straight lines. How do two straight lines interact with each other? What do you mean by interaction? Interaction is nothing but a type of conversation between two people. Okay, now it is going to be conversation between two straight lines. How do two straight lines interact with each other? The first thing is they intersect with each other. The second thing is they run in parallel with each other. But these two straight lines can be interacted with the help of a transversal. So let me elaborate about transversal in future. Okay, now telling about properties of straight lines. If two straight lines intersect at any particular point, then vertically opposite angles are equal. Here you see angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, angle AOD is equal to BOC or vertically opposite angles. So to understand better about the vertically opposite angles, I have indicated using a red pen, and the cross mark indicates these two angles are vertically opposite. That is, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, and this curvaceous mark indicates angle BOD is equal to angle AOC. Just to point out the difference, I have used two different symbols here. Hope you will be able to understand this. The second kind of interaction will be when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. So first of all, what do you mean by a transversal? Transversal is nothing but a line which cuts two parallel lines. So two parallel lines is cut by a transversal. We have three properties for this. The first one I have indicated using a pencil. Corresponding angles are equal. So what do you mean by corresponding angles? Angles which are present on the same side of the parallel lines. See, these AB and CD are the parallel lines. EGB and angle GHD. Observe only the pencil angles, okay? So angle EGB and angle GHD are present on the top side, that is same side, okay? Same side of the parallel lines. Both the angles are present on the top side, okay? And the second thing is same side of the transversal. It should be the corresponding angle should be present on the same side of the transversal. EF is the transversal. These two angles are present on the right side of the transversal. Similarly, you can be able to point out the other corresponding angles. Angle EGA is equal to angle GHC. Angle EGA is equal to angle GHC. Angle AGH is equal to angle CHF. And angle BGH is equal to angle DHF. So these are four pairs of corresponding angles present here. Okay. The next property will be alternate angles are equal. So what do you mean by alternate angles? Angles are present between two parallel lines and opposite to the transversal. I have indicated using red pen. Angles which are present between two parallel lines. So you see only the angles which are indicated using red pen. Angles which are present between two parallel lines and opposite to the transversal. This is the transversal. These two angles are opposite to the transversal. Angle AGH is equal to angle GHD. This is one pair of alternate angles. The other pair of alternate angles will be angle BGH is equal to angle GHC. So this is another pair of alternate angle. So the third one will be interior adjacent angles are supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. Interior adjacent angles. What do you mean by interior adjacent angles? Interior adjacent angles means the angles which are present interior to the parallel lines. Interior to the parallel lines. See, it is present inside the two parallel lines, and these two angles lie on the same side of the transverse. These two angles lie between these two lines. These two angles lie between these two parallel lines, and they lie on the right side of the transversal. So angle BGH plus angle GHD is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle AGH plus angle CHG is equal to 180 degree.